Welcome back to Clarissa's Kitchen. I'm Clarissa for those of you guys don't know me already. Here on this channel you will find all gluten-free recipes that are super healthy and simple to make at home. Today I'm going to be hitting you with 3 healthy, quick, simple salads that are perfect for summer but then also really great year-round. And all these require about 5 to 6 ingredients that are probably ingredients you have at home or something that you could run to the grocery store really quick. 3 salads I'm going to be sharing with you today are the watermelon feta salad, the chicken blueberry goat cheese salad, and the chicken apple walnut salad. I can't wait for you guys to try out these recipes, so I did provide the recipe and instruction list right down below in the description box, so that way you guys can take a screenshot, hit the grocery store, and buy those ingredients if you don't have them already at home. And also make sure that you hit the subscribe button right down below. It's been really helping to support my channel, so thank you guys so much. Now let's get on to the recipe.
First salad on the list is the watermelon feta salad. In a large bowl, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, and about 1/4 cup of chopped mint leaves. Whisk until well combined, then add salt and pepper to taste. Next, add about 6 cups of cubed watermelon, then add about 1/2 cup of feta cheese and gently toss everything together until well combined. Garnish with some more chopped mint leaves, and some feta cheese. Serve this right away or keep it chilled in the fridge until ready to serve. And let me just say, wow, such a quick and simple salad to put together in minutes and just absolutely delicious. Next up is the chicken blueberry goat cheese salad. We'll be starting cooking with the chicken breast. And in this recipe, we'll be using about 4 skinless, boneless chicken breasts, which equates to about 1 pound. For the prep, be sure to give the chicken a good rinse and pat dry with a towel. Then season the chicken breast with salt and pepper on both sides. In a large pan, add olive oil and bring to a medium-high heat. Cook on each side for 4 to 6 minutes until fully cooked. Once cooked, set aside the chicken on a cutting board and let it rest while preparing the salad. While the chicken is resting, in a large mixing bowl, add 6 cups of arugula, 1 cup of blueberries, 1/2 cup of red or white onion. In this case, red onion would be a preferred choice, but all I had was white onion, and both are really, really good. Add the sliced chicken breasts on the top. Add sliced avocado and goat cheese. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Drizzle the white balsamic dressing over or serve on the side. And the creaminess from the goat cheese, sweetness from the blueberries, and perfectly cooked chicken pairs so well together. If you're loving these salads so far, make sure that you smash that like button. Lastly, we'll be making a chicken apple walnut salad. This is a classic, refreshing salad. Here in this bowl, we added some kale greens, apple slices, 1/3 cup of walnuts, 1/3 cup of dried cranberries, feta cheese, and the chicken breast that we cooked earlier. Drizzle it with white balsamic dressing or serve on the side. This salad has the best combination of flavors and will definitely fill you up.
So there you have it. Those are my 3 healthy, quick and simple, refreshing salads that again are not only perfect for summer, but also year-round. Salads can have a lot of variety to it, and just incorporate some fruit, protein, and some really healthy greens is my go-to. I hope that you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Comment down below on which of these 3 salads are your favorite. And if you haven't done so already, make sure that you hit the subscribe button right down below. Hit the notification bell because I'm posting videos every single week. And hit the like button if you really enjoyed watching this recipe, as it really supports my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in Clarissa's Kitchen.